Now I am going to show you how to update the data. In order to update data, I am going here to create a function, public function update, and here into the update I am just going to write some codes. But before going to do that, I am going here and I create here an update route for this, and this is update. So here I will write the code. So how we can update? So just use the db update, very easy. And like the raw SQL, I will use update students. That means I will update the students table and set the new value. So set the name equal to, for example, something, and email, right? So or I just want to change the name, where id equal to here I also give the question mark. So here I will have to give two values. For first one is name. I am going to check what is the first name Arifin. So here I am going to change it, for example, Murshid, and here the id I will have to give in the second parameter, that is 1. So this will just update the data here. So here I am going to see here, and instead of show I will have to give update. Let's check if I give here, yes, update. Okay, so now I will just hit enter. Now I am going here, refresh. You see that the Murshid is the name now. That means the data is updated successfully.